There we go. This is 5D from planes and pulleys. And there's block A and there's block B. And they are here, and there's a pulley. And then we've got this guy like that. And for D, it says if A has a mass of 35 kilograms, and B, what does B need to be so the system has an acceleration of 3.15 meters per second? So B is going to be like the unknown, right? Okay, and we do have sound. Okay, this is good. Okay, so I think, how are we going to do that? It's got an acceleration of 3.15 meters per second squared. So I think we can figure out for D, for A through D, there's no friction, right? And so whatever this tension is here, it's causing this block to accelerate at 3.15 meters per second. Isn't that right? Okay, so we know that for this guy, all there is really is there's just T, right? T equals M times A, right? In other words, the tension is causing the acceleration. And so the tension is going to be 35 times 3.15. Yeah, don't we know that? Because there's no friction, right? The example we did in class, there was friction. We had to say T minus the friction. Yeah?
How did you get T equals M times A?
I'm just setting up F equals MA, and the only force acting, the question was how did I get T equals MA? And the way I got it is I'm just saying all the forces add up to MA, right? And there's no friction pulling, right? You know, so this one's fairly simple. It's just T equals MA, and so we can go 35 times 3.15. That's 110.25, right? And now we're going to set up the situation for B. For B, there's got to be 110.25, right? It's accelerating this way at 3.15 meters per second squared, and it's got some mass m, and we don't know what it is, right? So we set up F equals ma again, and yeah, this is kind of hard, isn't it? Okay, so the force, that's not the only force, right? There's another force, and that's m times g, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, and so we set up our F equals ma, and we say tension 110.25 minus mg. Whoops, I need more space. 110.25 is positive, right? Minus mg, which is going to be negative, right? And that's 9.81 equals m times, and we got to be very careful, it's accelerating down, so it's got to be negative. Yeah. Is that solvable for m?
Yeah.
I think so, right? So what are we going to do? I guess we're going to do 110.25 equals m times 9.81 minus 3.15. So 110.25 divided by 9.81 minus 3.15. 16.55. Is that the right answer?
Yeah.
It's always good to get the right answer, right? It's like, no, it's the wrong answer. Stop watching. So the answer M is 16.55 kilograms. And we're okay on the rest of that. All right.